Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit out or cinematic filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the contrast plus 14, highlights minus 100, shadows plus 100, whites minus 3, blacks minus 5. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the temp minus 2. Bring the tint plus 17. Saturation minus 15. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. And bring the hue plus 11. Saturation plus 12. Luminance minus 13. Next go to Orange. Bring the saturation minus 44. Luminance minus 2. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 69. Saturation minus 64. Luminance plus 8. Next go to Green. Bring the hue minus 100. Saturation plus 3. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue plus 10. Saturation minus 100, luminance minus 6. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue minus 2. Saturation minus 85. Luminance minus 38. Go to Purple. Bring the hue minus 24. Saturation minus 100, luminance minus 25. Next go to Pink. Bring the hue minus 2. Saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 42. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity minus 10. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue to 215. For highlights. Balance minus 2. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening 34. Color Noise Reduction 25. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and test it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.